Great students! Kids, always remember that seasons are the blessings of Allah. We should be thankful to Allah for all His blessings. Answer some simple questions. So kids, let's try. How many seasons we have?
We have 4 seasons.
Tell me the names of the 2 seasons.
Spring season and summer.
Which weather do you like most and why?
Summer season because we eat ice cream, play in the ground and eat delicious fruits.
Read the given topic with its idea. Name, age, class, school name. Fatima, 6th year, grade 1, school word. Fill in the blanks using the given word bank. Goodbye snow, goodbye ice, leaving his this fine spring day. Here is my good old bat and ball. Now I just could shout and sing. I'm so glad because it's spring.
Kids, let's learn about some words and their meanings.
Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum assalam. I'm glad to see you. Me too, thank you. What's in your hand? Marbles. Marbles? Yes, marbles. It means small balls made of glass. Why baby is shouting? She is not well, that's why she is crying.
Kids, look at the parts of the body, read their names. Hand, knee, eye, arm, nose, neck.
Rewrite the given sentences using capital letters. It is very hot today. A cool breeze is blowing. Uzma has beautiful eyes. The children like to play in the ground.
Okay kids, I hope you will try to practice today's lesson at home.
Write sentences on green environment. For example, everyone to keep the environment clean and green. Thanks for watching.